Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a free SSL certificate in Odoo. So an SSL certificate secures your websites with HTTPS and displays the padlock icon in browsers. So if you use Odoo online, the SSL is usually automatic and free. So actually guys, you'll need to connect your custom domain that you can get from the Namecheap, the GoDaddy, the Cloudflare, etc. and wait for the DNS propagation. And the Odoo automatically generates and installs the SSL certificates. So there are no manual setup that's normally required. So also guys, you will need to verify if the HTTPS is active. So you only just open the website using your domain and then just check for the padlock icon, the secure connection, this one, right? That one exactly. Connection is secure and no browser warning here and rare. Okay, so the Odoo SH or the self-hosted Odoo, if you host Odoo yourself, you can use free SSL certificates from the Let's Encrypt. So as I told you, you will need to go with, for example, Namecheap. Yeah, just get a domain. All right, and buy it, link it to your Odoo, and Odoo is basically secured, so you have the HTTPS already. Right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.